Right, so today a couple of odd jobs to do just around the backyard. Nothing too much lawn related. I'll cut the Tiftuf out the front in a minute though. The green, which might be the last cut before we oversow with some ryegrass, and I'm going to try something else as well, so stick around to the end of the video and I'll talk about that. But today we're going to remove these iron stains off the gates, and then we're going to probably get rid of some weeds out and the cracks out the front as well. Righty, so as you guys can see here, I've got a lot of iron stains on my fence. So that's from the liquid iron that I spray on the lawn to give it a nice green up. A lot of you guys probably have it as well. And that's also some grass clippings. Silly boy. But yeah, when I was in America, I tried a product over there that got rid of the iron stains off the fence. But look at that, did you guys see that before? That is insane. And I tried for ages to find something over here, and then Nathan Bradbury who's a super, I think it's at East Lakes in Sydney golf course, sent me some of this stuff, which I'll get out in a minute, to help get rid of this off the fence. And I trialled it a little while ago before I killed the lawn off, just to see if it would damage the ryegrass, and it did no damage at all. I even painted it on the lawn straight, and it did nothing, didn't even harm the turf at all. So what we're going to do is put some on now and show you guys how it works. I did a bit of a test area here. Would have been just here about, well, when I did it, and you can see there's already more iron stains there because I've been applying iron again, but there definitely is a difference there. So let's grab this stuff out of the shed and let's give it a crack. Alright, so this is the product here. So it's XFE by Clearbore, I'm pretty sure. Now, I've got to find a place that you guys can buy this, because I'm not really sure where you can get it from, because Nathan just sent this to me. But it's Australian made, and it's ideal for bore water or bore water stains, as I said to you guys before, or just, liquid iron stains from us spraying too much iron on our lawns because we get keen. But yeah, so basically what we have to do is tip it into here. Now you can do it straight. I did it straight before, but you might as well mix with some water so you don't use too much of it. So I'm just going to put in a little bit in here. I'll probably go about half-half with this stuff. There's a bit there, so I've got a bit to do because I've got all the fences to do. Oh, it smells nice. Actually smells a bit like cleaning product, which I guess technically it is. Alright, then let's put some water in there. Let me just do a little test run. Let's do just this half here, and let's see how it looks afterwards. Now you got to make sure you wash it off as well. Let it dry and then wash it off. Seriously, look at that difference. That is actually pretty insane. So that was what it looked like beforehand, and that's what it looked like afterwards. So it definitely works. Now I found when I rubbed it a bit hard with the brush, it actually got rid of some of that humic acid staining as well. Humic acid staining is those little black dots on there. It worked really well. So now let's go around the fences and do the rest of it. Man, that works good. Sometimes I'm all about the easy way. Sometimes I go for the gold. I never thought you were easy prey. I just knew I was sold. Seriously, how much better do those fences look? What the crap. So that's been done just now, and this side was stained just as bad. You can see that down the bottom, nice and yellow, especially up here. Ooh. So I'll do this spot next. Now I found if you put down one brushful first, and then let it dry for a bit, and then go over it again, it really takes a lot of it off. It looks so much better though. Man, I wish I got this stuff earlier. Whew, tidy. Yeah, let's keep going, but then I just wash it down with water afterwards, obviously, and it washes a lot of the crap off as well. Don't you know that I just wanna hear you sigh? Here we are, back at your place. You put on Marvin Gaye. So I'm actually really impressed with that product. Really, really good product. So the active in that is oxalic acid. So there might be a product down at Bunnings. I'll go online and see if I can find one that's similar. And link it down in the description below. I might even put it as the first comment and pin it so you guys can see the link there. But it worked really well, and I'll link that product as well on the website, but it worked really well. Like, I'm quite impressed. Remember, I tried this a few months ago, just a little test spot on the back shed. I painted it straight on the grass and it didn't kill the grass. Now, Nathan Bradbury's told me it's fine with warm season grass. This is cool season grass and it's been fine with it as well. No damage at all, no discoloration, didn't have any issues, and I painted it on straight and I didn't even water it in afterwards. But yeah, I'm impressed. Never seen these fences so clean. Man, need to keep on top of it though. Like, I need to do it at least once a month just to keep them looking nice and crisp. Yeah, very impressed with that. Alright, so I'm getting crackweeds and I've tried to pull them out 1,000 times. Tried to get a shovel and scrape them out, and they just keep on igniting back in there. Igniting, that's a stupid word to use. So I'm just using this Yates Zero Rapid Gel. Just some gel. It gets rid of it in about an hour because it's got some glyphosate, can't even say it, glyphosate, and some non-ionic acid, which is like that slasher stuff basically. So it's gonna knock it down pretty quick, but then kill the roots with the glyphosate as well. Got some people staring in the background at me while I'm doing this. Probably like, what the F this bloke doing talking to the camera? So just this gel, and dead set you just squeeze it and it's like this. It's like hair gel, just don't put it in your hair. Just put it along there, and that should die off in the next hour or so. Now, I like this stuff because you can get isolated spots without have to spray. It's just quick and easy. It does the job. As easy as that, but I've used that a few times to get rid of some cooch that's popped up in the ryegrass, even some kikuyu, because you can get pretty selectively. You can pull the plant up like rub it and then go from there, but it's pretty good stuff. I've had good results with it. Always gets the cooch pretty well. I haven't seen the cooch come back after I've done an application with this stuff, so not that I get much. I've had like one spot that big in my yard. 30 minutes, it's fine with rain as well. Anyway, I just got that from Bunnings, but I rate it, it's pretty good. Let me show you guys something quickly. So I put some of that iron stuff down here as a test on the concrete. What the actual crap? Whoa, I didn't realise my concrete was originally that colour. That works really well. So it looks like I'm going to have to spray. I'm going to get a knapsack and just spray this area here. I'm not going to paint the whole area with a paintbrush, but man, that is insane. That is absolutely ridiculous. Right, let's get on to mowing this Tiftuf. This is going to be the last mow on this bad boy, which is I'm a bit sad about. Not the last mow. Last mows have been Tiftuf because tomorrow I'll put some Primo down or some plant growth regulator. Try an expert Ethel, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's give it a cut and we'll be done. Oh, what I was getting at too was I'm putting down the Primo so it slows the growth down, and then I'm going to oversow it with some ryegrass and some bent on the green. Love this mower, man. This thing is a beast. Right, so we got pretty much nothing off there. Not sure how much you guys can see that, but like it only just covered the bottom. And it was long too, so well, long compared to what it normally is, but yeah, got nothing off. I did a second cut and basically nothing came off, just some dust. So looks like that is pretty much the end of it. But it looks not too bad for the end of the season, especially that it's starting to slow down now. Lost a bit of colour because it's going into dormancy. And got hit by fungus disease, so it looks a little bit off. But yeah, not bad. Silly marks from the disc golf club, city boy. Yeah, you can definitely tell that area was stressed out when the fungus hit it. Belted it. Man, yeah, it looks worse than it did a couple of weeks ago, which is a bummer. Now, if this was during the middle of the season, when this is actively growing, it would have bounced back really quick from that fungus, but since it was towards dormancy, wasn't good for it. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the last cut on it. I might do one during the week, but I won't film it. And then next week we'll do the oversow. So we won't do it this week because I've got to get some bent grass, but once I get some, we'll do this oversow and show you guys the whole process on how I'm going to do it. Anyway, I'm going to wrap the video up there, but thanks guys so much for watching, really appreciate it. Keep an eye out for doing this little project on this Tiftuf over here, the little oversow, because I'll be doing that next week, so that should be out next Saturday if all goes according to plan. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday. Come on, boy. Oh my god. Get out of there. That's disgusting. Yuck. That is, my friends, classic case of power. Look at it. Don't know how. Don't know how that dirt got in there. It's probably bird turd or something. Yuck. Got me on the face, didn't it? Yuck.